Alright, this is the first video number 1 for a typical FCOG 61 HV high voltage board, and we're going to show in a couple of videos how to set up and how the soft start enable operates. With this particular board we have power, that's why the board is already turned on. We have two switches. We have the instant enable switch and we have the soft enable. This is the one we're going to be controlling. We are going to have a permanent closure between the instant enable and 12 volts. That always has to be there. If it's not there, the board will never enable. So this will be closed. And what we have here is we have positions 1 through 8 of RN5 populated, and 9 and 10 are omitted. What that does is this signal I2 NOT, when JU2 is installed, because 1 and 2 positions 1 and 2 of RN5 are installed, that signal is pulled up to 12 volts. This is not there. So the way that we're going to soft enable and soft inhibit is bringing this signal down to ground, and we have it at position 14. Position 14, it's ground. And actually no, it's not position 14, it's position 11. 11, it's ground. So we're going to bring it to ground, and we're going to inhibit, and we're going to release it, and it's going to go back up to 12 volts, but it's going to go through R13, and it's going to go through the soft start capacitor, which is all right here, C4. So we have this switch, and it's normally closed. We're going to be opening and closing, and what we have is this board. It's being powered in our setup with 480 volts. We have a rectifier, and it's a rectifier in the cabinet. Oh, there's a rectifier right here, and the rectifier powers just a purely resistive load. What we're gonna do is we're gonna set this board is configured for 0 to 10 volts sig high, and we are going to keep sig high or delay angle command constant at 10, so that we see the full swing from the time that we soft enable to the time that the board gets full output. We are also looking at the AC input, 473 volts AC. We don't have any output, the board is inhibited, and we are going to monitor the soft inhibit signal. This soft inhibit signal we're looking at here are either JU2 or the right hand side of R13. It's basically that signal that right now should be pulled up high to 12 volts. And then we're going to take a look at test point 1, the buffer amplifier, and we'll see the signal ramp. And we're going to also take a look at the actual 0 to 400 and 480 times 1.3, the output across the load. This is the end of the first video that discusses configuration.